Hello guys, this is Usman from eTutor9. In this video, practice session test for the correct use of isRM is presented. Now let's move towards the video without wasting any further time.
Question 1. I dash a boy. Answer is C. Am. Question 2. The kettle dash boiling. Answer is A. Is. Question 3. It dash an elephant. Answer is A. Is. Question 4. What dash he doing there? Answer is A. Is. Question 5. Birds dash flying in the sky. Answer is B. R. Question 6. The baby dash sleeping. Answer is A. Is. Question 7. The girls dash singing devotional songs. Answer is B. R. Question 8. I dash not coming with you. Answer is C. Am. Question 9. Dash they ready yet? Answer is B. R. Question 10. Where dash my pen? Answer is A. Is. Question 11. Dash I your teacher? Answer is C. Am. Question 12. Why dash you fooling around us? Answer is B. R. Question 13. James and Victoria dash playing together. Answer is B. R. Question 14. I dash not bullying anyone. Answer is C. Am. Question 15. His test scored dash better than me. Answer is A. Is.
If you like this video, then share it with your friends, and second part of the test is also given in the description. Thank you.